turn our focus to South Asia, and the situation is quickly turning into drastic in Pakistan. Latest information we are getting from Pakistan is where one person has died of the coronavirus. The total number of infected is nearing the 200 mark in Pakistan. Federal Health Ministry's Command and Control Center has confirmed one death in the city of Lahore. They suggest victim had a travel history to Muscat. My colleague Anas, WION's Pakistan Bureau Chief, Anas Malik, is live from Islamabad. Anas, the number of infected is nearing the 200 mark in Pakistan. One person has died due to the disease. What's the latest information that you're picking up?
Well, Shobit, there seems to be utter discoordination or miscoordination and lack of coordination between one end or the other, because a while ago, in fact, exactly an hour ago, we saw that the Health Ministry, the National Command and Control Center for COVID-19, that is under the Federal Health Ministry, it said that one person had died off because of coronavirus in Punjab. But 20 minutes later, they have issued a quote-unquote clarification saying that his test reports are still awaited, so it would be quote-unquote to say a bit premature. Now, the question arises is, if it was premature, then why release the stats at the first place saying that the person has died? As we speak, there are 197 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Pakistan, of the COVID-19. Out of that, the most number is in Sindh, primarily because the patients who are coming in from Taftan, from Iran, are being quarantined at Sakhar in Sindh, and 119 cases have been reported from, let alone in Sakhar. After that, we are seeing cases from Balochistan. About 14 cases have been reported from Balochistan. A while ago, the Punjab Health Minister, Dr. Yasmin Rashid, she was addressing a press conference, and she said that Punjab has at least 6 confirmed cases, while adding another 736 people have been quarantined. So, as we speak, there are 197 confirmed cases. 3 among them have been discharged. 194 continue to be under treatment, and there's still utter confusion, chaos, and lack of clarity, rather lack of coordination between institutions in Pakistan, between the federal government institution and the provincial government institution, because, as I said, in a matter of 20 minutes, they backtrack from one of their own press releases, from their own statements, saying that it is a bit premature to say something that Punjab government had been waiting upon. Yes, Shobit.
Right. There is confusion, like my colleague Anas is reporting. There is confusion as far as that death in Pakistan is concerned. After confirming the death due to COVID-19, now authorities are saying that the test results are still awaited. However, Anas, we have seen reports, especially from the Taftan camp in Pakistan, where those who've been coming from Iran have been quarantined, and they have been complaining that the facilities there are absolutely in shambles.
Well, absolutely, there was lack of facility. In fact, if I take you through, just on Thursday is when the first time ever since February that the testing facility, testing a mobile lab, was placed in Taftan. Now, Taftan is about 800 kilometers from Quetta, from the provincial capital of Balochistan, and about 31 hours from where I am in Islamabad. Having said that, this is a normal course. How much normal course would have taken? The mobile lab would have taken at least 3 to 4 days to being transported from Islamabad to Taftan. Having said that, the basic question is, why so late? Why on Thursday? Why not earlier? That is one question that remains unanswered. We understand that the people there in Taftan are spending a minimum basic of 14 days in quarantine, and they are coming only after having spent a quarantine period of another 14 days in Iran. But why not test them earlier? That is one question that remains unanswered. And for now, the authorities there is a lot of blame game that is going on. The federal government has blamed the Punjab government. The federal government has blamed the Balochistan government. The Sindh government has also blamed the Balochistan government, saying that there were lack of resources over there, and there was lack of arrangement that was done. The Balochistan government has maintained, saying that they did their best what they could in given the resources and facilities that they have. As we speak, they've made another quarantine facility near Taftan, because we understand that Taftan is a remote, far-flung area.
Right, Anas.
But there have been utter chaos. There have been lack of coordination. There have been higher mismanagement at federal and provincial level both. Yes, sure.
Right, Anas, thanks for joining us. In fact, we're getting a reaction from the Pakistani Prime Minister. I'll just read it out for our viewers. He said, I quote Imran Khan. He says, clearly our health facilities, in case we get swarmed by it, our health facilities will not be able to cope. And it's not just Pakistan. I would imagine the same in India, in the subcontinent and African countries. You know, if it spreads, we will all have problems with the health facilities. We just don't have that much capability. That was Imran Khan, Pakistan Prime Minister. We'll get you his soundbite also in just a short while from now. Here's a quick check at what else is making news around the world.